Okay, I'm here in smoking area high roller. We try that. $400. We'll see if I can win something. Good luck to me. I don't have my tripod, so. There you go, open diamond. Go, come on baby, open the diamond again. Oh, almost. Come on baby. Oh, that's it. Let me try another 100.